Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix ex input 1 underscore 3.dll not found. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select the manage settings and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder. And navigate to the game folder where you saved. I saved in C drive. Here is the game folder. Select it and select folder option. And the game has been added to this list. Go back and go back and select this protection history option. In here, you can able to see listed one by one. Just click on it and select yes option. And as you can see, the game related file is in here. As you can see, select the action option and select restore and select the yes option to restore the game file. The same thing for down here. You just need to click on one by one and restore the files. Make sure you restored all the files related to the game and then just close stuff here and right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location and scroll up and double click on the redist. Double click on this quick SFV and select this file and select open. As you can see in my case all files are okay. There is no missing or bad files found. If in your case the bad file or missing file is found, then you just need to check my video description for this video link. Just uninstall and reinstall the game by following these video steps, and this should fix your problem, guys. For the people who doesn't have this missing or bad files, then you are good to go. Just to close stuff here and launch the game. As you can see, the game opens up without having any problem, and you will never face any game related problem, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.